All right, so in my previous video, I demonstrated how you can do a reverse shell. It's going to be able to connect to the Windows system, and from the Linux, you can establish the shell, Windows shell. So instead, I'm going to do the opposite, where we're going to connect to the Linux system from the Windows system in order to be able to run Linux commands from our Windows system with the reverse shell. So the first thing that I ran into an issue here is when I attempted to do the dash E switch, it wasn't recognized. And that is how you're supposed to be able to start to share out your bash shell from through Netcat on the Linux side. So instead of that, I found a reverse way of getting going around that. So what we want to do over here is we're going to go ahead and run netcat and then do the NLP and then dash 4444. So that's going to start up our listener on that port. And now we're able to establish a reverse shell. We're going to push the reverse shell through this method, which is pretty handy because this is going to push the bash shell through our netcat port 4444 onto that Windows system. So once we've done that, we can now run Linux commands over here. So you'll see that I am now root and any other Linux command as far as checking the file system or checking the directory structures, free memory, or anything else that you can do from the Linux system. So that's how you establish that reverse shell. And it's just a workaround that I found when the dash E switch doesn't work. So I hope that's helpful for anybody that's trying to establish a reverse shell to their Linux system from Windows. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.